Hello plant lovers. I bought today this Monstera Adansonii, although in the store it was called Oblica or whatever. Anyway, it's not in a very good shape. It seems that it wasn't watered for a few days because I see some signs of underwatering. I have some brown here, some dark yellow in here, and most of the leaves look scorched. Even here, another browny stuff. Yeah, anyway, today I'm going to repot this. It's my advice whenever you buy a new plant, you change it because it's either the space it needs or the bad soil the local stores are using. Now have a close up to see the damaged leaves. So it was pretty fine, it's still entangled, okay. It's almost healthy. I just hope that in a few days of watering I will show you the before and after. I will also trim it a little bit because usually when you have bad leaves you should chop them off so it has energy to grow new leaves. So it's not in a very good shape, but I'll see if I am going to have some improvements after I take care of it. Okay, so first you squish it a little bit, then you pull it out, and it needed some repotting, so I have prepared here a new pot, a bit of soil in it. Now adding some extra in here. Okay, so now I'm going to look for the damaged leaves. I will not save the nodes this time. This here I think it could be split also, but I want it bushy, so I leave it like this. So I will get back in a few moments with the results after, let's say, 4 days. So I hope this helped, and see you on the next videos.